Well, a good night to stay in and watch a movie.
How about that? Meteorologist Tammie Souza joins us now with a next weather alert and details of what? About a big temperature drop. Huh?
Oh my gosh, we are going to have high winds, temperature drop. We're going to have more rain, maybe even a gusty, borderline severe storm tonight. All of it is still headed our way. So let's take a look outside right now. We do have the clouds in place. We have seen steady rain at times today. Some areas picking up a ½ inch, even a little bit more than that. And we are going to continue to see that rain late tonight. But right now we're in a little bit of a lull. So clouds across Center City, the temperatures, that's been part of the big story today. It's 71 degrees right now in Philadelphia. Do you realize 58 is our average daytime high for today's date? We are well above that. We hit 72 as an official high today. Winds right now out of the south to 13 miles an hour, but they have been gusting as high as 26 miles an hour, and those will pick up later tonight. So here's what we're watching. The impacts for tonight. Severe weather threat does continue. There is going to be some spin in the atmosphere, so a storm could turn gusty or severe. We still have that very low end risk of a brief tornado spin up, although I think that has actually remained south of our area for today, so that's good news. Very windy late tonight and tomorrow. Wind advisory in effect. Freezing air arrives Sunday night and through all of next week, and the first flakes for some. I'm talking to all of you in the Poconos, not in Philadelphia, so don't worry, put the shovels away. We are looking at just some light showers across Storm Scan 3 at this point. We did have heavier rain that moved through. Right now we're watching the center of rotation making its way into West Virginia. This is being pushed to the east by a very strong cold front that's west of the area, and this is going to move through our area for tonight. You can actually see that front. Not a lot in the way of rain associated with it, but very cold air behind it, and that will come through here tomorrow night, and then the cold air filters in on Sunday. So here's what's going on. Warm air in place. There is the center of rotation of what once was Nicole. We are looking at that cold front that is off to the west of us with the very, very cold air behind it. So as we go through tonight, we're going to be in the dry slot. 10 o'clock, things should be fairly quiet, maybe just a spotty shower out there, but look off to the west. There are more showers and thunderstorms. They're going to roll through between about 2 and 4, and then they'll be out of here tomorrow morning. Maybe when you wake up, they'll be gone. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds tomorrow. The winds will briefly turn to the northwest and then back to the west and southwest as that front approaches the area. Spotty showers tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. Once the front comes through, the wind turns off to the north and the west. Look at this. By the time we get into Sunday morning, it is going to be cold, and we're going to be breezy on Sunday. So how much more rain? Maybe another inch in some places, so just be prepared for that overnight tonight. Wind advisory with gusts as high as 50 miles an hour to all the shore points. That's 11 o'clock tonight through 9 tomorrow morning. And here comes the cold blast. This is next week. Big trough of cool air moves in for the weekend, and then it just deepens and sits across the eastern part of the country, bringing us what I would call a deep, deep freeze. In fact, we could see our first freeze here in Philly next week. 66 tonight, scattered showers out there and storms. 69 tomorrow, another gift from Mother Nature. After that, the bottom falls out. 47 Monday, freezing Monday night. Wear the parka to the Eagles game. All of next week, extremely cold. Flakes could fly in the Poconos Tuesday night and into Wednesday. Back over to you.